Manifest Money, Neville Goddard. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Manifest Money, Neville Goddard. When it comes to manifesting money, very few people often equate wealth with influence. I can assure you most people often think in a state of lack and defeat. Think of it for a moment. Let's imagine that you wanted to manifest $1,000 in 30 days. A great deal of your thought goes to self-pity. You may pine away about why your boss or someone didn't give you the money that you're hoping to have. In either case, you are coming from a place of lack and a state of being powerlessness. However, when you understand this one secret to manifesting money, you'll realize that money is never given. That may seem odd to you for a second, but it's only because of your perspective. Money is often only given in exchange for something else. So when you come from a place of wanting, you may feel empty and without. Sadly, the more you feel empty and powerless and without, you won't give. And giving is the first key to actually receiving. When you're ready to manifest money, you have to place your mind in a state of giving first. You have to be willing to influence others to take what you are giving. The more you understand the state of influence, the better you become at the exchange. Those who are able to manifest more money and abundance have developed this skill of influencing others to want what they are giving in exchange for money. The secret key. The greatest key to influencing others to exchange what they are giving for money is to give value. You give value by understanding what others need. When you understand the needs of others, you are immediately at an advantage for creation, wealth, and abundance. The whole world is driven by a need for something, and by connecting with the needs of others, you connect with the flow of money. This is above all one of the most powerful secrets to manifesting more money and greater wealth. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.